Assalamu alaikum students. Let's discuss the types of joints present in a human body. First of all, the hinge joint. This is a joint which allow movements at 180 degree. Like it allow movements only in two directions, bending and straightening. It only allows flexion and extension. Flexion means bending and extension means straightening. So it only allows flexion and extension. Or you can say that it allows movement in one plane only. Okay, and what are the examples of hinge joints? The most common examples of the hinge joints are elbow joint, which only allow the bending and straightening of the arm, and knee joint, which allow only the bending and straightening of the leg. And the next joint is called ball and socket joints. Ball and socket joints. And under the example of ball and socket joints are the most common is the shoulder joint. Shoulder joint as well as the hip joint. These two joints are called ball and socket joints because they allow movement in all directions. They allow rotation. They allow movement in all three planes. That's why they are called ball and socket joints. Then actually joint is a place where two bones meet. So which structure is responsible for joining the two bones? That is called tendon. So let's discuss about the tendon and ligament as well. First of all, tendons. Tendons are the white fibrous connective tissue. They are the tough bands, they are not flexible, and they attach muscles to bones. And they are found at the end of skeletal muscles because skeletal muscles are attached to the bones, but they are not attached directly to the bones. Actually, tendons are responsible for attaching muscles to the bones, and they serves to move the bones. When the bones move during bending and straightening, actually tendons are responsible for this movement. And the next connective tissue which is very important is ligament. Ligaments are the yellow connective tissue and they are strong but flexible bands. Tendons are the tough bands. They are not flexible, but ligaments are the flexible bands and they join one bone to another bone. So we can say that at the point of joints, at the place of joints, ligaments are present, which are responsible for attaching bone to bone. They serve to hold the structure together and keep them stable. This is the function of ligaments. So this is all about the type of joints and the connective tissues which are present at the site of joints.